Have you ever wondered about the intriguing dichotomy of dark and light that governs our universe? It's a question that has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and artists alike, sparking myriad theories and interpretations. Let's embark on a journey into the realm of these two contrasting elements, exploring their significance in terms of energy, existence, and perception. Imagine a world where darkness and light are not mere physical phenomena, but representations of the unseen and the visible, the unknown and the known, the mysterious and the revealed. Consider the universe, a vast expanse stretching far beyond our human comprehension. Scientists tell us that a significant portion of it, about 85%, is made up of dark matter and dark energy. These forces are invisible to our eyes and our instruments, yet they hold the cosmos together, shaping galaxies and bending the path of light itself. It's a realm of darkness that's not empty, but teeming with energy and potential. Contrast this with the remaining fraction of the universe, the 15% that's filled with stars, planets, galaxies, things we can see and touch. This is the light of the universe, the tangible and visible reality that we perceive and understand. It's a realm of existence that's vibrant and dynamic, filled with diverse forms of life and matter. In the grand scheme of things, dark and light are not opposing forces, but complementary aspects of existence. They represent the balance between the known and the unknown, the seen and the unseen, the tangible and the intangible. They remind us that there's much more to the universe than meets the eye, that there are mysteries waiting to be unraveled, truths waiting to be discovered. As we delve deeper into these concepts, we'll explore how they relate to the world around us, from the smallest subatomic particles to the largest cosmic structures. We'll examine how they influence our understanding of reality, how they shape our perceptions and beliefs, how they define our place in the universe. Dark and light, two sides of the same coin, eternally intertwined in the cosmic dance of existence. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, let's keep this thought in mind, reminding us of the beautiful complexity and harmony of the universe. After all, isn't that what makes life so fascinating? But what if we shift our perspective from the cosmic to the terrestrial, from the universe to us, the beings inhabiting it? We've previously delved into the fascinating paradigm of things versus beings. To recap, we explored the stark contrast between inanimate objects, the things, and living entities, the beings. Things like rocks, pens, or even planets exist without consciousness. They simply are. They're devoid of perception, emotions, or the ability to interact with their surroundings in a meaningful way. They are part of the universe, yet entirely separate from its multidimensional tapestry of experience. On the other hand, beings, such as humans, animals, and potentially other life forms in the cosmos, possess an innate awareness of their existence. Beings interact with the universe, experience it, and contribute to its unfolding narrative. They perceive, they feel, they ponder, and they dream. Beings are not just in the universe, they are a part of it in a profound, conscious way. Now let's consider the concept of dark and light within this framework. For things, dark and light are mere physical states, without inherent meaning or significance. A rock basks in the sunlight or rests in the shadow, but it doesn't perceive or interpret these conditions. Contrastingly, beings have a different relationship with dark and light. We perceive them, associate them with feelings, and even use them metaphorically to express concepts of knowledge and ignorance, good and evil. The darkness of the unknown can be terrifying to a being, while the light of understanding brings comfort. To a being, light can be a symbol of hope, a beacon guiding us through the darkness. Similarly, darkness can signify the unknown, the mysteries that are yet to be uncovered. It's a constant dance, a play between the known and the unknown, the seen and the unseen. So, as we navigate through our existence as beings in this universe, we engage in a perpetual dance with dark and light. They are not just physical states, but deeply entwined with our conscious experience. Just as in the universe, so too in our world, we find the dance of dark and light, of things and beings. As humans, as animals, how do we perceive this dance? How do we distinguish between the dark and light, between things and beings? Let's journey through the lens of our perception. We humans, along with our animal brethren, navigate our world through a complex system of senses. These senses guide us, helping us differentiate between the dark and light, between things and beings. When we think about darkness, it's often associated with the unknown, the unseen, the mysterious. Light, on the other hand, is openness, clarity, and knowledge. Yet these are not just physical entities. They transcend into the metaphysical realm, influencing our emotions and thoughts. The interplay of dark and light forms the canvas upon which we paint our understanding of the world. Now let's turn our attention to things and beings. Things, by their very nature, are inanimate, static, passive. They exist, but do not act. Beings, however, are vibrant, dynamic, and active. They not only exist, but they also engage, interact, and influence. Here's where science and philosophy intersect. From a scientific perspective, light and dark are simply different levels of energy, and things and beings are different states of matter. Yet, philosophically, these elements signify more profound concepts. Dark and light represent the dual nature of existence, the seen and unseen, the known and unknown. Things and beings signify the dichotomy of passivity and activity, existence and essence. Our perception of dark and light, things and beings, is shaped by our senses, our experiences, and our understanding. It's a dance of perception that we engage in every moment of our existence. This dance is not isolated to our earthly realm. It extends beyond, into other worlds, other universes. Everywhere, the dance of dark and light, things and beings, is being performed. Everywhere, perceptions are being formed. Realities are being shaped. As we navigate through life, we become dancers in this cosmic ballet. Our senses, our perceptions, our understanding, all become part of this dance. We become part of the interplay of dark and light, of things and beings. Our perception shapes our reality, and in that reality, we find the interplay of dark and light, of things and beings. As we delve deeper into these theories, we start to see similarities and contrasts. But what do they tell us about our universe, about ourselves? We have examined the dark versus light theory and the things versus beings theory separately. But when we juxtapose these two profound theories, we are presented with an even more intricate and fascinating perspective of our universe. The dark versus light theory, as we know, is all about the dichotomy of existence, the contrast, the balance, the dance between the seen and unseen, the known and unknown. On the other hand, the things versus beings theory explores the distinction and interaction between animate and inanimate entities, the tangible and intangible, the sentient and insentient. At first glance, they may appear distinct, but on closer inspection, we find intersections. The concept of dark could be likened to the domain of things, the unseen, the inanimate, the insentient, while light could be compared to beings, the visible, the animate, the sentient. However, the beauty of these theories lies in their fluidity and their refusal to be boxed into rigid categories. Just as there are degrees of darkness and lightness, there are entities that blur the line between things and beings. Think about a seed. Is it a thing or a being? It lies dormant, seemingly lifeless, in the dark soil. But given the right conditions, it bursts forth into life, reaching towards the light. These theories are not contradictory, but complementary. They provide us with a holistic view of the universe, where darkness and light, things and beings are interconnected, each influencing and being influenced by the other. They remind us that we are part of this grand cosmic dance, not mere spectators. Our understanding of these theories is not merely intellectual. It impacts how we perceive ourselves and our place in the universe. Are we mere things tossed about by the forces of the universe, or are we beings with the capacity to illuminate the darkness and bring meaning to existence? In this intricate web of theories, we find threads that link the macrocosm of the universe to the microcosm of our existence. As we journey through these theories, what conclusions can we draw about the dance of existence that we are all part of? The symphony of existence is a grand ballet, a dance of light and dark, of things and beings. It is a dance that is as old as the universe itself and continues to evolve with each passing moment. Our exploration of theories such as dark versus light and things versus beings has led us to some fascinating insights. In the interplay between darkness and light, we've observed how these two elements shape our universe. Darkness, often associated with the unknown, the hidden, and the mysterious, is not just an absence of light. It is a canvas upon which the brilliance of light can truly shine. Light, on the other hand, represents knowledge, clarity, and illumination. It's the beacon that guides us through the darkness, revealing the beauty and complexity of the cosmos. Then we have the dance of things and beings. Things, inanimate objects, constitute the physical framework of our universe, while beings, animate entities, inject life and consciousness into this framework. This dance between physicality and consciousness, between existence and experience, shapes our understanding of reality. When we meld these theories together, we get a tapestry of existence that is far richer and more intricate than we could have ever imagined. The dance of existence is not a solo performance, but an ensemble piece. Each dancer, whether it's a photon of light or a sentient being, plays a crucial role in the choreography of the cosmos. The study of these theories has not only expanded our knowledge of the universe, but it has also deepened our understanding of our place within it. We are not mere spectators in this cosmic ballet, but active participants, each one of us a dancer in the grand dance of existence. In the eternal dance of dark and light, of things and beings, we find not only the mysteries of the universe, but also the essence of our existence. We are Mind Art 100. Subscribe to us and allow us to notify you about future updates.